Luke, what way?
That way.
That way?
Yep.
Okay. Follow Luke, Grandma.
That way.
That way?
Yep. It's a big.
Yeah, it's a big log.
It's a big heaven.
Yeah. Which way do we go now, Luke?
That way.
That way?
Yep. It's another one.
Oh, yeah. It's a walnut.
Apple.
Is it an apple? That's a walnut, isn't it?
Are you taking?
Nice throw.
Nice
job.
throw. You think it was? Here's another.
Can you throw it?
Grandpa, you take?
All right. Ah!
Oh, good throw, Grandpa.
There's a bench, yeah. Uh-oh. Which way, Luke?
That way.
That way?
Yep.
This is Uncle Stockbridge.
That way.
That way?
Yep.
All right.
It's choo-choo train.
Oh, choo-choo train. This way, Luke?
No. We're there.
We're there? Grandma's getting stuck, Luke.
This isn't a pass.
Can you help Grandma get out?
Yep.
Yep, well go help her. Here he comes, Grandma.
Thank you. Thanks for your help.
I gotta go see Wookie.
Oh, okay.
I see that.
Oh. Let's see.